Welcome back to skincare products that I'm using in the winter, and this right here is the anti-aging part of it. These are products that I will be using all year round, non-negotiable. Murad, let me tell you something. I didn't know how much I needed this in my life. I'm a woman over 40. I am 47. I will be 48. And I take skincare very seriously. I am very fortunate. I have good genes, with my family and whatnot. But however, I do know that I'm definitely aging, and I'm definitely have to, I see some things happening. You just kind of like take some precaution. We cannot stop the aging process by any means. But can we, kind of fluff, do this, do that to make things look nice? Absolutely. And here we are with Murad. Murad is that anti-aging for the girls, or for the women. Okay, so currently right now, what I'm using is this right here, and that's what this is right here. So this is the retinol with the AL Rescope Overnight Treatment. Now I only use this in one place, and that is in my neck area. I will use this just in my neck because I'm very I don't say dramatic when I talk, but I can definitely talk and use a lot of facial and a lot of hands and stuff. So sometimes I could be like and it can give the appearance that I'm running around here looking like something different. But this right here, now I was using something else that was doing an overnight for me, but it's not like this one. You could tell I be using it. I got all kind of this stuff in the top and everything. This here is so nice. This is considered it says step 2. I'm not sure with this one. Let's look at this one. I know that they do have other products as well. I have not ventured out into their skincare line. This is step 2 as well. I have not ventured out to see about if they have cleansers, moisturizers, all the things. I have not ventured out. I've just been stuck on this product right here. And when I tell you, I am thoroughly grateful for it. I am thoroughly grateful for it. And this one right here, this is retinol with the OL. This is like for that this here is when you start seeing the signs of aging. And this one here is for, I believe, prevention, or like early, So yeah, if not, it's vice versa. But I like to use the retinol for overnight. When you're wearing retinol, you cannot wear this stuff in the sun. So this is more so like a nighttime situation. I wear it only at night. I do not wear this out in the sun. I do not wear it out in the day. It's only worn when I'm indoors, and more so, like I said, at night. Do I see a difference? Absolutely. I'm not gonna sit and say it's a miracle cream, but do you feel like your face is being more firmer? But again, drinking water, it's about taking care of yourself from the inside that will ooze out from the outside. Will this, keep your skin looking nice, hydrated, all these different things? Absolutely. But again, I only use it on my neck and in this area right here. I don't use it nowhere else. I may have tried to use it maybe on my chin area, but I'm a little scared. But I'm educating myself on both retinol and retinol, so I can be a little bit more educated, and I can be more educated to let you guys know. Because again, sometimes we just be a little bit like, we see everybody else using it. We're not sure what we're using it for. We just jumping on the bandwagon. But it's good to be educated and to look things up and to find out what things are actually for. So, but right now, what is in my year long is this right here. I've been using this for about 2 to 3 months, But I will be honest, I wasn't doing it consistently because my skincare routine wasn't using this before, so I had to add it in. It was kind of getting like, it's not a moisturizer. I'm not using it to put it over my face. I'm using it to just prevent, and I'm using it to kind of like repair from overnight. That's exactly what this is. This is like a overnight treatment for like you being outside, you're out in all these elements, wind blowing, doing this, getting dry spots, and then now you want to kind of like repair. So that's how I took this one, But yeah, fine lines and wrinkles, ladies. I don't have I can smile. I have a little bit right here, like, when I squint my face, but like for the most part, like all the other things I really don't have. And I gotta really be squinting to get it. But that's exactly what, the retinols and all the things is for. It's like for fine lines, wrinkles, and just to kind of like, get everything going, Yeah. Let me know, and let me know, do you use retinol? Let me know which one do you use, if you even use it, and if so, what brand, and what are some other trouble spots that you might be having. You know, if you are a woman over 40, over 50, over 60, let me know, because we're here, safe space, let's talk, because we're all aging and we're gonna age gracefully.